Alright, you do the intro.
I'm Robin Schneider. This is Connor Wilson. Welcome to Canadian Carpentry. And what are we going to do? Oh yeah, proudly sponsored by...
This program is brought to you in part by Canadian Tire, where you can fucking get like fucking
2 for 1 wood.
2 for 1 wood. They got fucking deals there. You go down there, they'll hook you up, they'll do some good shit for you.
I know like 2 guys who sell pot at it, so if you ever need pot, just go there.
Go to fucking Canadian Tire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's driving?
Where you are. Okay. Oh, and this car can't reverse.
Dude, where the fuck am I going?
Oh, fucking turn right.
Right. So we're making a heart-shaped table for Phil.
Alright.
I think.
Either Phil. Phil can't get it, and I guess we'll give it to someone else. But we're gonna try and give it to Phil. Valentine's Day is coming up, so.
It's the season of love.
Today's the day. What day is it today? Thursday. Thursday? Well, I mean, like, what day?
The 13th.
13th.
I got fucking.
Well, that's not. Oh, alright, well, we'll give it to him, and then tomorrow he'll have a nice table.
Like, it's 10 in the morning. Like, yeah, I could have some shitty bacon and egg or thing, or I could just get a fucking burger.
Yeah.
And like, that's like bacon and egg or thing, but it's fucking tastier and more delightful.
Alright, I'll fucking go for grandpa.
You know what? Just get 3 grandpa burgers.
3 grandpa burgers.
Can I get 3 grandpa burgers? Some yam fries.
Get a large yam fries.
And then large yam fries.
Would you like to buy me that?
Check it out, they only accept cash, so even then.
Yeah.
Small.
That will be $30.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's delicious, but goddamn is it expensive. Yam fries are the shit. Judge me sauce is fucking tasty.
What's the word for the guy who's
Like black in a room of white guys.
Um,
What's that word?
the black sheep.
No. Well, yeah, but no.
I don't know.
Not the word I was thinking of. Minority. Minority. He's the minority.
Minority.
I feel like I'm eating all your fries. Sabian,
Want
want a
some?
fry? Open up. Open up, Sabian.
Are you gonna? Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. What are we getting then?
2x4s?
Yeah.
We need some 2x4s?
Yeah.
Oh, we got that big sheet. We can make like a frame so that sheet isn't like flimsy. Obviously we want it to be flimsy, but I don't think we do.
I don't want it to be flimsy. I want it to be manly as fuck.
Okay, so we're getting 2x4s. How much is it?
It's $3.
$3 for that?
I think.
No.
Yeah.
No. Actually?
I don't know.
$3?
I think that's how prices work.
That's a solid deal.
Yeah, I could go for $3 of naughty pine.
Dude, that's like change. Like, that's no way.
Why is it green? So it's got like gonorrhea in it. Shit. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Beauty. Oh, screws.
It's fucking wood screws right there.
Okay, wood screws.
Right there.
All right, fine. It's wood screws.
We had particle board, but I guess we screwed it in a terrible way.
Oh my god, that would have fixed it.
Would it?
I don't know.
I don't know how I ended up carrying the wood.
Well, see, you get the pleasure of filming us, so you also get the misfortune of paying for our food and taking our wood. Where's my car? Oh.
Make sure you do like things where you cut in between scenes, so like there's like you cut all this middle part out, like right now what I'm saying, you just cut this out, and then like kind of like later on, like we're right up there. Okay, let's figure out how to put these in.
Yeah. Oh, good, it didn't lock it. That's
Alright.
how you know it's safe.
I'm okay with public embarrassment.
How long are these?
Damn long.
Okay, that's pretty long. We have a sunroof. It opens.
Oh yeah, buddy. That's good. That'll do it. Alright, now close it so that it's like squishing on the wood.
How ridiculous does that look? Not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too shabby.
I like it.
It's good enough for the girls I go for.
8 out of 10, but too loose.
Loosey goosey, let's go. Don't mess with the aerodynamics of the car.
Nah, I'll be fine. Unless we go really fast.
So let's just give her.
Smack. Woo!
That wasn't a stop sign, was it?
No, that was
we're good. We're good. Curtis, quit being in the same mood I want to be in. It's really hot. Shit. Worse than a car purr. Oh, there you are stuff at me. Okay, cool.
People are looking at us.
Yeah, we'll look them right back.
Alright. That's actually really stable. Like,
Yeah,
that's holding it.
we're practically a unicorn in the car right now.
If you did. Guided by voices after that with Twilight Campfire. Pow! After that with Fire Hose. That's off their album High Tech Boom.
We're good to go.
Take these
In the
out.
studio, would you care to introduce yourself?
I'm Brenda Lieberman with the
That was smart, alright.
Alright. So we're here to talk about films.
Yeah. The two festivals, the Calgary International, Calgary Underground, and actually split up.
Street cats. Open the garage. Let's just like wait here.
So basically, these are our tools. We have like our saws. We have a hacksaw. You know, one of those regular saws. We got like a level. You know, we use it as a straight edge. We don't really level anything. We have our hard hacks. That's pretty much it.
On my pocket. I'm not gonna fuck.
Okay.
This is getting serious as shit.
All right. So yeah. So we're gonna take. So we need to
We're
draw.
gonna take this wood and we're gonna make a heart.
Draw. I can't see the heart.
Does that look enough like a heart?
Looks good to me. Damn good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Well, now how are we gonna fucking cut it?
Right atrium, right ventricle, tricuspal valve, pulmonary valve, superior vena cava, anterior vena cava, lungs.
Give me a hard hat.
Good pretend like that didn't happen. Very wonderful. Oh my god, can the thumbnail just be us with our shirts off?
I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Fuck.
Oh, fuck. We got this. We're professionals. Alright, fuck. Now what? What are you doing, bud?
Not gonna work. Yeah, this sauce fine.
Hi!
That thing hurts. Actually, seriously, don't.
Words hurt.
Don't. Fuck.
Okay, I put this on. Good.
Alright, give her!
not the proper way to cut wood. Well, probably could have gone farther, but
Yeah.
I mean, we'll just work our way in.
Okay, fuck yeah, sure. We'll figure it out. That's good.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, that's a not normal. What is going on? I don't understand. Dang.
Do you want to cut them?
Oh, that's good. Jeff made that, okay.
Everything else looks pretty good to me.
I think it's, yeah, it's good. Let's sand this bitch.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, woo, that's great. Okay.
I don't know how the hell we're gonna do this.
Well, while he's sanding it, I'm gonna fucking make the frame.
Oh, I feel like I should have been doing something while I
What? Keep sanding. Okay. Okay, so we have some 1x4s. I don't know what to do with these.
Yeah. Check this out. This is a heart.
It's looking good.
Boom.
No, this is actually, I'm pretty proud. Alright, yeah. No.
Okay, see this? Put the two together, you're good.
No, they're not good.
Hold on, I'm retarded. Also, these boards are not straight.
Yeah.
It's a tad off. This is the important bit. Oh,
That's already crap. That's
good.
alright.
That's always fun.
That's good. I'm fine with that.
It's actually terrible, but oh well.
What else? You probably should have drilled these out first. Oh, that no, good noises. She's good. She's in there.
Yeah, cracked it twice there. Good.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna drill these out from. Fuck.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So
should we like?
yeah, there's kind of a hole here.
What do we do?
We're just gonna pretend like we didn't notice that.
Okay.
Right?
No, wait.
Now we're good. We're good.
No, it's not.
We're
More
good.
to the left. To the left.
Which left?
That way. To your fucking left. That way.
That way? Okay.
That's your.
Maybe this is left. Maybe that's left. Like I don't know what you're saying.
Hold on.
We're good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh, fucked it. Yeah, the table is done. Look at this. Look how connected this is.
It's fucking good. Is it like poking through or is it?
No,
Dude, that's
there's
solid.
a lot of missing holes where we drilled in the wrong place. But you don't even notice.
This is good.
Zoom in on the holes.
I'm doing that.
I don't believe you.
You're making.
Giant heart for a friend.
Wearing hats and stuff, but now I don't want to wear this hat because it looks silly.
Giant, are they getting married?
No, it's just a joke. We're dropping it off at his house and he'll not know who it's from. And
No,
kind
we
of...
should just, wasn't this expensive wood?
No.
No?
Not really at all.
That's like particle board with like a layer on top.
Yeah, like this board was like $3.
Okay.
By the way, yeah, so I need the cartonite.
Yeah, I
Okay, cool.
That's the short one is the better one. That actually hurt a lot. Whoa!
Do you trust me?
I trust you. Okay, good.
You hold us. You're lost and all alone. I need you now. Ask for my guidance. Come down from my throne. Sure. Alright, last one. Here it comes. It's really funny because I really screwed up drilling the hole for this last one too. You got her, we're good! Woo! High five.
Don't you forget about me.
Yeah. What do I do with this? Like, this is a very large table. Nice. Shake it, man.
Oh, good. Oh, man.
P-H-I-L-L?
Yeah.
Lowercase, screw it.
It's definitely one. Okay.
What?
I'm pretty sure it's one L.
Shut up. We're doing L-U-V.
Too far.
Nice.
Happening. If he sees us, we just straight up drop it and book it. Like, we don't even like question anything. We just don't say anything, drop it, and just run away. Look at the camera for a sec. Good. Oh fuck.
Oh god, no! Yes.
Go, man, go.
Oh my god, that was close. That
Look at
would've
this
been bad.
truck space. Look at that mad truck space.
We got this.
Boom. Vans.
I'll play with your heart just like it's a game. I'll be blowing your mind while you're blowing my brain. I'm just like that man they call.
This is weird.
Okay.
It's definitely not what normal people do, you're right, Connor. Get the fuck home.
One side! What are you doing?
How dare you salt your driveway?
Hey, dude.
He's still salting.
Salty
Look
enough.
at the salted.
Like, how much salt do you need on that there?
He's looking. Oh, he just looked out the freaking curtain. Okay. Yeah, he's doing it.
Yeah, buddy.
He's looking. He looks concerned.
Where's he looking at?
He's looking out the window.
Like towards kind of our direction-ish, or like near the front door?
I think he's scared. I think we scared
I
him.
don't want to scare him.
He's so afraid. He looked really not amused. Oh god.
Okay, don't look back, don't look back. Connor, look forward.
He's looking for us. Wait, he definitely saw us. He's gonna text me now. He's fucking texting me. Yeah, he's gonna be like, what are you doing? He just put his arms up. Oh my god, he's so unimpressed. He's so unimpressed.